Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Microsoft 365 or Perpetual Office license is active and you're signed into the correct account. Once done, back up any open workbooks to OneDrive or a local folder so you avoid data loss during the update. Then close Excel and other Office apps. Now open the Microsoft Store or Excel's account settings and initiate the update check so the client can download the newest build. Once the download starts, you should monitor progress and let it reach 100% before the installer proceeds. Partial installs cause corruption. If the updater requests admin permissions, accept them so system files can be replaced. Make sure device sleep and any VPN or proxy are disabled during install to prevent timeout errors. Save and close unsaved files, then follow on-screen prompts. Excel may request a restart, which completes replacing binary. To finish, open Excel, go to File Account and confirm the version and build match the update notes. This verifies success. If there's a problem, run Online Office Repair or Quick Repair from Programs and Features. If that fails, clear the Microsoft Store cache with WS Reset or reinstall Office. Make sure Auto Update is enabled and set active hours so updates install cleanly next time. One troubleshooting tip. If service errors persist, try signing out and back into the account before repeating the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.